We don't compromise on quality here. So quality, 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 customer service, that's my mantra. Paint protection film stops rock chips, stops stone chips. Ceramic coating keeps the car glossy and clean. Can you do both? Absolutely, we love to do that. We do paint protection film first, and then we put the ceramic coating on top of it, so you get the best of both worlds. We have a new car buyer's guide back there. We're gonna give you some insight tips, how to win at the dealership. Some of them are offering paint protection film and ceramic coatings. Some of them are offering just simple paper warranties, which is a quick spray, 15-minute application. I always recommend paint protection film first to somebody. So paint protection film, it's a clear polyurethane film, it's computer cut. It's just like the screensaver on your iPhone. That's gonna absorb all the rocks impact. I heard you guys talking about autocross and getting on the track. If you have a new car and you wanna go take it to the track, this is for you. Do this research first in the car buying process. Find out what shop you're gonna go to for paint protection film if that's what you want. I guarantee if you come into Immaculate Paint Protection, you're gonna deal with me. I own the company. We use top-notch products. I use a 10 to 12-year product. One of the things we offer here at Immaculate Paint Protection is where you're all sitting right now. That's where we do the work. Down here, we queue the cars inside. Say it's the wintertime, it's the second week of January, and you hit delivery the first week of January, and then the weather's nice, bring it up here. We'll park it in the back. We'll leave it alone, and then we'll start working on the second week. And if it takes you a couple days to get to us, to get it out, we'll do that too. We're very accommodating here. We're gonna take great care of you. The other pro tip I can give you is just be careful when you're washing your vehicle. Just ask the dealership, don't wash the vehicle, please, and come to us and we'll take care of it. We'll do that for you. Everybody that has their car done here, ceramic coated PPF, paint protection film, we invite the clients to come back 30 days. We'll go out, we'll wash the car together with you. And if there's something wrong, we're gonna fix it then, or we're gonna figure that out. But it gives me the opportunity to train you how we're gonna use all our tools, all our professional tools, techniques, tips, and we're gonna show you how to wash your vehicle, how to maintain that ceramic coating, how to maintain the paint protection film. Tiffany, thank you. You pulled off at a great event. Caterers, you did awesome food tonight. Thanks, guys.